Hello, little learners. Welcome or welcome back. You guys are great and remarkable readers. Today we are going to read The Pigeon Loves Things That Go. Can you name some things that go? What is this? This is a bus. And this is a smidgen of a pigeon by Mo Willems. Bus. Can't you just see me driving one? Train! Choo-choo! Pigeon Express, coming through. Airplane! Ah! Shore beats flapping! Hot dog! Hey, what's the big idea? A hot dog doesn't go. Oh, yes it does. Does too. A hot dog can go right into my belly. Nom, 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 nom. Little learners, that was a really fun story. And if you want to hear more fun stories by Mr. Mo Willems, there's Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. The pigeon finds a hot dog. Hot dogs. And the pigeon has feelings too. It was fun reading with you today. See you next time. Thanks for watching.